How to add Celsius on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add Celsius on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download MetaMask on your mobile device, then make sure to check out our guide on how to download it. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now tap on the plus icon. Click on search bar and search for Celsius. In order to add Celsius on MetaMask, just take this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import, tap on it. And as you guys can see, Celsius has been added on our MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.